Welcome to the Next Road channel. In this video, we guide you on how to start a tire shop business. Follow our 8 comprehensive step-by-step guide to running a successful tire shop business. Number 1. Market research. Market research is an important first step for any business venture. It enables the business owner to decide what kind of tire shop will best serve their local market and to comprehend the products and pricing of their rivals. Number 2. Business plan. A tire shop business plan is an important tool for outlining the goals of the business, a strategy for achieving them, and a way to measure progress. The plan should cover all aspects of the business including financial considerations such as expected capital expenditures and operating costs, market analysis including target customers and their needs, marketing plans to reach those customers, and operations procedures that outline how the shop will be managed. Number 3. Find a location. Finding the ideal location for your tire shop is critical to ensure its success. When scouting for potential sites, consider factors such as population, competition, zoning regulations and access to necessary resources like utilities. Research the local area and confirm that you are able to obtain a business permit from the local authorities. Number 4. Get financing. Entrepreneurs can apply for financial aid to receive the funding they require to launch their business. You can apply for loans from banks or credit unions, obtain personal loans and lines of credit, or even look for investor capital if you want to build a tire shop. It is crucial to keep in mind that all financing alternatives have unique requirements and interest rates, so it makes sense to comparison shop for the best deal. Number 5. Business licensing. The next step after obtaining business financing is to obtain a business license. Your tire shop's location will determine how this varies from state to state and even municipality to municipality. Generally speaking, you will need a general business license with additional permits for selling tires and services such as installation or tire rotations. You may also need additional licenses for any other activities that may take place in the shop such as vehicle repair or tune-ups. Number 6. Buy equipment and supplies. When starting a tire shop, it is important to invest in the right equipment and supplies. You will need tools to change and repair tires like a tire machine, balancer, lifts and jacks. Additionally, you will need consumable items such as valve stems, rim strips and air hoses. Number 7. Hire employees. The correct workers must be hired once the size of your tire shop business has been determined. Make sure potential employees can give excellent customer service and have experience in the automobile business before recruiting them. If possible, consider hiring individuals who are OSHA certified as this will demonstrate their level of knowledge and expertise. Number 8. Marketing and promotion. Once your tire shop is functional, you need to start marketing and promoting the business you run. Create a website or social media profile for your business where you can demonstrate all the tire types you sell as well as any special deals or discounts. Make sure that your contact data appears prominently on every page to make it simple for visitors to contact you. In the end, opening a tire shop is not a simple task. Planning, research, and effort are required to make sure that your business grows. Thanks for watching our video.